Mijang Karbenglong District Headquarter Hamren Deputy Commissioner Pen Perangkiamai Kipapon. District Drugs Disposal Committee atum hukum PC heroin cannabis tablet ke huipini dipu mile follow nikikaipon. BJP Kangtangnai Adim Singha Sonahawar Arlo Rongnogora long APHLC Women Wings Kesengpon. Kedamtang tarabasa lems election ahut APHLC asong pen bangket ki hayat tumpen lamkar kasipipon. Pini jakhong poli phai thong kep arni West Karbenglong District Headquarter Hamren Deputy Commissioner Krishna Borua ACS pen New Delhi 110001 Election Commission of India pen akimi electoral roll men kache thapon nang jipo alam ateng pen pini Hamren DC office alang krungsai amai padopon. Bangso krungsai amai jut kok pen aphit rat aphan kapachini nang jipo ajok pensip bangso puthak pherangkia tomatheng no lapthe pachini pon. Electoral roll along men kache thap nang ji arta laki ningkan kre choksi athak lapen amen kache thap aphong chokche pusitame phong prian apordoji akimi electoral roll men kache thap apor laki pai pai niphai isi pensi puthot akimi amen thapon po men kache thap akhot documents kinangji laki Aadhaar card pen joy kiawar side doji puta pachini pon nasi kaduk kawe setame bangsolong men kache thap dun edji aphan pachini pon Hamren pen Karbideli News Pherang ke Pidaran report.
Give you information as from tomorrow, not tomorrow, it's from Monday, the 1st of August, we'll be starting the summary revision, special summary revision as instructed by the Election Commission of India. So there are some few amendments are there. So I would like to apprise you so that our general publics come to know about all this. That's why we have asked for this press conference. As you know, like before, the qualifying date was 1st of January. Now Election Commission has revised, so they have given 3 more qualifying dates. That is 1st of January, then 1st of April, 1st of July, and 1st of October. So this is the new inclusions and changes. As you know, the different forms are there. Form 6 is for voter registration. Then Form 8 is for correction of any details. Then Form 7 is for deletion of names, who are the dead voters or they may have shifted from this place. And there is another form, that is 6B. This will be linked with voter ID with their Aadhaar number. This is the new inclusions. And I would like to apprise you regarding the timeline. As you know, from 4/8/2022, we'll be starting the pre-revision activities. So these activities will be the rationalization and rearrangement of polling stations, then removal of any discrepancies regarding epics, and also improvement of different qualities of photographs, which has been as you know, many epics are blurred, so you cannot specify the images, so these will be rectified. And also there is many gaps are there, so these things will be rectified from 4/8/2022 to 24/10/2022. Then after that is printing of the draft roll. It will be from 25/10/2022 to 7/11/2022. After that, we will be publishing the integrated draft electoral roll on 9/11/2022. Then the period of claims and objections will come. It will be from 9/11/2022 to 8/12/2022. And there will be a few special campaign dates will be there, which will be announced later on. And also we will be disposing all the claims and objections by 26/12/2022. Then updating of all the databases and printing will take place before 3/1/2023, and final publication of the electoral roll will be from 5/11/2023. So I would like my dear friends, so you publish it in a large way so that our new voters will come to know about this process. And there is another inclusions, those persons or youngsters who are above 17 years, they can apply beforehand also within this time. So kindly percolate down this message to everyone. So that is all from us.
Pinianara porphai kresia por malompen district drugs disposal committee atum mile pho chutenala pathua klamalong arakki hormomote drugs hai hui make thorpon bangsolong kaduka ve aphai laki heroin kethom tokbor cleaner cap grams ganja pharohinira inkore hini tokbor 5 truck 4 grams senseflex plus capsule surhinira pharoi sira isi amung cough syrup bong inkoira trok kaduka wepen bangso drugs anam hithialong nam ateng polotang tep koror hini lak trok sikebra hini abat sose pusi pini pherangke athengno DSP pen nang paseni dun manja pen salok kitok be report kabedele news
Yanglong districtত আমাৰ ড্ৰাগছ যিবিলাক ৰিকভাৰী হৈছে তেনেকুৱা আমাৰ 15টা কেছৰ যিখিনি ড্ৰাগছ ৰিকভাৰ হৈছিলে তাত আমি ড্ৰাগ ডিছপ'জেল কমিটিৰ এপ্ৰুভেলৰ মতে আজি আমি ড্ৰাগছটো ডিছপ'জ কৰা হৈছে তাৰ ভিতৰত আপোনাৰ হিৰো 3 কেজি 0.48 গ্ৰাম ডিছপ'জ কৰা হৈছে গাঞ্জা 222.065 কেজি Simplex tablet 2,102 numbers of Simplex tablets আৰু cough syrup 26টা bottle dispose কৰা হৈছে এই গুটেই psychotropic substance আৰু narcotic drugsৰ মূল্য হৈছে 2,72,90,050 rupees আৰু আমি যেতিয়া ডিসপোজ কৰাৰ আগত যেটো আমাৰ প্ৰসিডিউৰ আছে NDPSৰ এক্টৰ মতে সেই মতে আমি এটা ড্ৰাগ ডিসপোজাল কমিটি ফৰ্ম কৰা হৈছিল আৰু তাৰ পিছত আমাৰ পলিউশন কন্ট্ৰোল বৰ্ডৰ এপ্ৰুভেলৰ পাছত আমাৰ আজি ডিসপোজ কৰা হৈছে
Tangka leke thekali lapen khaisi ke thepo alam en ponsi singhason awar ke parlo rong nogor along APHLC polling station pen Omen Wings Sengpon bangso sai ke damtang niphai ingoraner kep ani se singhason ahawar alo BJP kang tangnai arong rong nogor po arong along APHLC Women's Wing Sengpon lo bangso mai long pho ahawar arat atum tongdunsi mai padopon mai long ritagram sapi pen nimarli atum ta khai kereng ji aphan che song along cherap dunang ji akenang sot alam the than pon lapen bangso amai long RD dojot khai mate inglong aso atum ajakong alam lapen kachari nang ji alam the hehu che than pon lapen bangso amai long ong dung arat atum che tongdunsi adipidun Mai judet ben putho tarabasa pathua klamalong nimarli atum pen ningkarong chekhangun esi kedamtang tarabasa lems election akot APHLC pen bangket ki hai atuma phan kachoru asai mate karcho asai dengpon koloni pen present report Kazakh news
Aki hai sar jai kathar sar nangki Japon internet la pen mesen pen inglong akai an ki ningi sidonang jipu pen jok piniarni ladak rongnagar APS mate bolongkoma ji ladak nilitum suarlo song sengsia aprang PS level senglo lapen suarlo song sitame president arpu secretary arpu lapen arpu gido anstame arpu alang litum en ponlo lase alang litum arpu dengpon pen alang litum rada thengno alang litum ning ingsam chepaklang lo lapen kachi songji aphan alang litum ladak arpu chepek ponlo aki haipi talo hansepi alang lip hansi president arpu pi ponlo lapen ke secretary lapen organizing secretary doan sitame latum arpu chepek ponlo lase inglong akai anke ningi sidonangji lapen kachi song abang ilitum ahok peten internet pen ilitum chisong thip nangji athema ladak longri kep ka jor chot kalisi moke inglong akai an alongri ahawar hapat anke jor et bo lasi BJP pen chionon lapen inglong akai an ningi sidononang lapen ilitum handbrake long letek itum sang nang ni lapen article 244A lapen article 3 part 1A of the Indian Constitution separation of state kilong Japan ilitum ake hai jai kathar sar nangke Japon along ilitum rad data chisong dun thip lo nang APSLC tang nang ma jai kathar sar pi hai nang ma lori long pat ching ho nang ma tang ka leke thekali rat se ke the handbrake long lete Suar lo song pang tang vek nang.
Ningi sivet ke doalong angbong nang kache jok don pen pachekak da son do bonta pini ni phai jakhong po thong kep arni analo por phai krisia por malom pen polni hawar ke parlo Benjamin taro arong along Jameson teron pu a hemalong tarbasa lems election a hud bangke APHLC pen khai pon atum herangki amai ki phapon along klar dak pen lam thepe klang pon laki election haide pen penangan atum aphan penang aradatum ke haitang atum angbong chi jok don chi pupu kapachekak don ji kapachar boji aphan kabori pon dapado lapen ke haitang atum BJP long chingbe dun po mate chipa ok dun po po alam the ke kapaklang thap chot labang so alam te ko ana hok ma alam the abang ke haitang atum angbong chingrum pet si chingwai pon pen pherang ke angno lam klap chipi pon tanglo tarabasa lems along APHLC asong pen election ke hai pon atum pen pherang kia thengno kapachini pon atengke alang litum ki hai pon lakirat akang hon ajok lapen APHLC aphat ning kache the ajok si alang litum aphan tarabasa lems election pahai pon lo nasi alang litum aphan jok le nang bai sitami COA rat akam claim pa meji lapen APHLC doverji ci othipji asi karbi anglong arat mate phuluni arat atum abang manghupon nang ni puta pherang kyang bong pachini pon phuluni pen mesekam se report karbi daily news
Koloni confidential long, presiden mate kedam tang MEC election long, ilutum asar duniram timung mata non dulu, kasi to nili ithebe sitame nili atame chok chedat lo, mate chok chebuta chipun sitame tumi non kedam tang tarik crit rock juga kedam tang achiklo election lamps APSLC penetum kacedan mate kacetoy dun non nili methang mata candidate lo. Kasi nilitum pan rat sinang pahay lo, la pen nilitum haidet pen sitami all carbying long, pen sitami constituency tin pen tawang sinilitum pan nangar chulo, tata nilitum ning sharong pik lo, nilitum pan mapla nang pa I pu chot kali nilitum seralek ilong anda susi nilitum ning ceparong, tasi nola so puthak ke bangke non tumi ang bong, gonesteron pu, dak nilitum tarabasa munit lo. Talang liwang pen adon dam pen si munit apan posisyon thui dam lo grand and eat pen nang bai lo la pen non ko pene market set ki kim ji la pon amounts 12 lakhs la pen ke grand and eat ni lisita me ar iduk lo mane hemasor apan ni lise che lang lok ta 30 lakh baka su se silong cheklo jon pres hini bidam lo reng redar lo la haya preng ga chitui phana ki sungo joine pen ni ta tension pen amasi thang nat sita melang tum na da kupiloma alang litum ce papas alam bang ke tokjir pen litum hanang paklang kle kupitong hada ke tokone men suhi kuri non polon litum suhi kuri dalo la gran en ira poisa pas la kakar I pen joine tani tum party ce phang no pen sini tum piniani BJP long nang inwardun pop ke ni litum hadak ci chaklong le tapi ni tum tangka poisa dulip ni tum en long le la bangke ni tum klardak ci pilo tasini tum phan party image na phang no du na phan la hai bangke tasinang tum rada tum ka doga we tum tame kuluni hawar chot kali karbiang long kado kabe che songrap pet akorte la pen injir kado e pantane litum ako lam klar chi pitulo nilitum la bangke party phangno ni tum do thipji bangkep ni tum ke haidun do bangkri ping bang ben ni tum bangkep haidun lo tasinon bangkep mata ni tum stand do thip la
patumi nili tarabasa alangli gones teronalong nili phanang hang poget amat nili duniglo la pen hal lakki du nalong nili phanang pulo nangli muka la hai aputha ke pupe la non kedam tang lem salong putha kalam si nili phanang pulo la sila lem salong kedam putha kalam nili phan nang pu alam theke la pulo alangli bang kupisi non alom ke claim nei ma la bang so putha nang pulo la pen nili bang lam klar ji piduno nili tumbang ke non ko ke APSLC long si du thip la pen APSLC along men si nili kami claim dun la pen APSLC hin men sinili tumla hulo tarik kedam tang hulo tarik la lems election dak nili tumhan rat anang pahailo la sunang ka pahailo atumi nili tumhan alangli isia adimolong signature kuri tha manili kuri dune dalo la so signature ki kuri ke la pulo alangli nang than bangke la ke nangli hem also kedam tang labang so puisa longji grand enit labang so puisa longi ji la sila so adim long nang nili pha signature turik no man nili alang li register chiwan man nili labang so adim long nili grand edit pula bang so ice cream along nili signature kuri duni dat laptop pir the long bang ke lalo athe nili tum bang ke APSL sia hian ben bang ke nili tum ke claim thip do thip lapen kaching hon thekti longri longpat kaching hon masin nili tum ke claim lasi nili tum han labang ke ning nang binang ne lem salong pen la pupu BJP dun jui tang ho amuka tum sinanga bai pon ho lapen BJP tum si la tum han ke nam pon ho pula bang so alam bang ke nili tum lam klar chipiga kang tung mang lalo lasi lahai bang ke nili tum hanang homdek de dara non ke bang ji messenger phan nili tum la dak taraba salem salong nili tum si la dak bang ke ha hon pon po lapen dakta nili tum han siang abang pudoan taraba sa irian angkang pi siara bang pudoan atu mang ke nili phan nang pahai ponjet na phiyong sinili ki claim ke dam lamang so puthar yong sinili ki chok chi do kok blotang se rat sinili tum hanang sai la pen tum hai kaman tum do EPSL sia hienten la pen doan so na mungan same alang li tum sin tum han biji suri nang tham pon bomlo